Hey guys, this is Kelsey of Z23, and today we're working on a loose shower head. Now to fix this, we're first going to pull the flange back here. It just goes with your fingers usually. And what's probably happened is it's come loose from the wall in the back. We can't get to that because of the tile, and so instead we're going to be using JB Water Weld. You can get this at your local hardware store, or I'll also leave a link down below. Before we start handling this, let's get some gloves on, and we're going to be filling this gap all the way in with this putty and pretty much cementing this in. So before we do that, if you need to replace your shower arm, now's the time to do it, or else you're not going to be able to get it out. We're locking this dude in. This stuff comes in a tube like this, and say it's a single little deal of putty wrapped up in plastic. Once you got it unwrapped, we just pinch off how much we want. We're going to use about half of it. Now to activate this, we're just going to start squishing it together, and it mixes the two ingredients. And you do that until it's a consistent color. So mix the two together. So now we'll work it into a little thin strip, and we're going to just fill that gap up. You'll want to make it pretty even with the tile. That way we can push the flange back on once it dries. Just kind of squish it in there. Don't get it on the tile if all possible, so don't leave stains past that flange. Now we're going to let that dry for about an hour. If you want to give it 2 or 3 hours, even better. And simply press that flange back down and you're good to go. If you want other videos like this, be sure and hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you on the next one.